friend, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve a math challenge which is related to we have to solve and get the targeted number which is 50, but we have to get this number using a set of given number. So the objective of this game is the aim to change to reach a targeted number that is 50 by using basic arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And but this can be used with a set of given numbers, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So you have to apply any basic operation and using this number and get the number is 50. So here, but this is not a simple task. We have a some set of rules here. You have to have 5 minutes to solve that challenge. Player must be use any given number which is given in that series, or you can say in the set of that given number, and you can apply any combination of the four basic arithmetics operation to reach the targeted number. But this is not a simple task. You have to use each number in that set only one at a time. And for operation also, each operation can also be used once at a time, and player can be used any parenthesis to indicate the order of operation. So before starting that, to solve that challenge, we have please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of challenges and these type of mathematics tricks uh, uh, in daily life. Okay, now let's start the topic. Like here we have a series 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. And our targeted number is 50. So our targeted number is 50. Like I will show you some example like how you can um, get that number is 50 using this type of series. So example 1, if I talk about the example 1, so this is very simple. Like first number is 10. We can take 10 and multiply by 10 from 6, and we will use the parenthesis so that we can easily track like how we can get the targeted number 50. So this is multiplied by 60 is 10 multiplied by 6 is 60. Now we cannot use 10 and 6 again, and we cannot use the multiplication sign again. So now let's see like how we can get the targeted number 50. Like here we have to have some 10 number which is minus from the 60. After that we have to get the answer is 50. So let's suppose we have the sign is minus, and here we can get the two number which is 8 plus 2. So 8 plus 2 is 10, and now we will minus 60 minus 10, so we will get the answer is 50. So this is one example like how we can get the targeted number 50 from this combination. Now see another example, example 2. Let's suppose we have take like 12 multiply by 4. So this is 12 multiplied by 4 is 48. We will get the answer is 48. So now we have to solve something like that. So we get the answer is we get the 2, and then after that we will add these two numbers. Then after that we get the targeted number. So what we can do, like here we can add plus sign because we did not use the plus before. Okay, now we have assume another number, like you can say like 8 and 6, like 8 minus 6. After that we get the answer is 2. So if we will add a 48 plus 2, we get the answer is 50. Now see some third example. So For third example, we have series like again we will take 12 multiplied by 4 and we get the answer is 48. So now we have to get here is 2. So you can write like 10 minus 8 because we do not choose 10 and 8 before and we did not apply minus sign before this. So we have to use 10 minus 8 which is we after that we can get the 2 and if we will add 48 plus 2 we get the answer is 50. So now you can say like we use the multiplication plus and minus sign. Okay, now we apply fourth mathematic operation. How? Like first we will apply like 12 multiply by 4 which is 48. You can say 48 and now we have to get the answer is minus sorry plus 2 but we cannot use like above example. First we have to do here uh, 8 divided by 2 which is minus 4, right? And after that plus 6. So here we apply all four operation like plus, division, subtraction and multiplication and all the numbers are different one like if you see the series 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 so we apply all numbers except 10 here so you can see like if we solve these expressions so we will get the answer is 50. So I hope you understand like how you can solve these type of targeted number 50 using this series by applying any basic arithmetic. So now you can apply some other way to get the answer is targeted number 50 by using any basic operation. But keep in mind like each number in the set can be used at once and each operation can also be used at once. So use these type of tricks and these type of rules and get the answer is 50 and give the answer and your solution in the comment box so we will learn like how you can solve this challenge. So thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel, like and share with others. Bye bye. Allah.